Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to source for in-depth reviews of the best products on the market. Today, we have something truly special for you: the Lavender Relaxing Spa Gift Basket Set for Women Xmas 2023. If you're on the hunt for the perfect gift for the amazing women in your life, look no further. This is the best gift basket available, and we're about to tell you why. Let's dive right in. This lavender gift basket for women is brought to you by Locado, a brand known for its elegance and thoughtfulness. Whether it's a birthday, Christmas, Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, or any special occasion, this gift basket has you covered. Now, let's talk about what makes this gift basket truly exceptional. Inside, you'll find a 6-piece sister gift basket that includes a 20 ounces wine tumbler, a stainless steel straw, a scented candle, bath salt, a bath bomb, soap, and a heartfelt greeting card with dry flowers. It's a complete package designed to indulge her senses and bring relaxation, tranquility, and happiness to her day. What sets this gift basket apart is its personal touch. The wine tumbler features the heartfelt message, "You are awesome," making it a perfect gift for best friends, sisters, moms, daughters, coworkers, or girlfriends. It's a unique and thoughtful way to show your appreciation. Whether you're celebrating a birthday, Christmas, Mother's Day, Valentine's Day, or an anniversary, this lavender gift basket is a perfect fit. It even includes a lovely purple lavender greeting card, allowing you to customize your message and express your love and appreciation to the important women in your life. And here's the best part. For a limited time, there's a Black Friday deal going on, offering a massive 50% discount. You can get this lavender relaxing spa gift basket set for women for just $17.99, down from the typical price of $35.99. Plus, if you're an Amazon Prime member, you can enjoy this exclusive deal. In conclusion, if you want to make a woman in your life feel special and appreciated, the Lavender Relaxing Spa Gift Basket Set for Women Xmas 2023 is the perfect choice. It's elegant, thoughtful, and versatile, making it the best gift basket available in the market. Don't miss out on this incredible Black Friday deal. Click the link in the description to get yours today. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fantastic product reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or want to share your experiences with this gift basket, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.